In our quest to revolutionize the efficiency of your modern lifestyle, we are introducing the innovation that will reinvent clothing care, transforming your day as well as your clothes. Tersa Steam uses pod technology, similar to your favorite single-cup coffee maker. This chemical-free process de-wrinkles, deodorizes, and dries nearly any of your favorite clothes in under 10 minutes. No more waiting for laundry cycles of an hour or more to finish. No more struggling with an ironing board, and fewer trips to the dry cleaner. Make Tersa a seamless part of your everyday routine. Simply hang your garment of choice in your Tersa Steam, pick your favorite scent, and press go. And while you're getting ready to go, Tersa Steam gets your clothes ready too, automatically.